Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today to share a makeup subscription box unboxing for, you guessed it, this is Ipsy, and this is Ipsy's March 2023 box. So if you guys have Ipsy, let me know down below. And let me know if you love this box. I have not opened it yet though, so I'm going to see everything fresh. Hopefully we can test out some products together and have a good time today. And before we dive into today's video, I am super excited because many of you beauties have been writing to me asking me, how am I finding coupons? How do I always find these amazing coupons online? And I am here today to share with you exactly how I've been finding these coupons. And believe it or not, I have nothing to do with it. I haven't done anything but download the MOOLAH app. And MOOLAH is an automatic coupon hunting extension that you add to your browser, super quick and easy, free, and they automatically scour the internet, find the best coupons, and add them to your cart automatically. You don't have to do a thing. They do it all for you. It's amazing. I've been using this for quite a while, and I was really excited when they reached out to me to partner on this portion of today's video, and I was like, yes, of course. I love MOOLAH. I love saving. I love finding and having those coupons, and then I'm also able to share them with others as well. But you actually don't need me to share it for you. You can download the browser extension and have MOOLAH do it for you as well. MOOLAH is so amazing because it saves you both time and effort in having to search on your own and test codes manually, because they are going to do it for you. Not only are you going to save money, you're going to accumulate MOOLAH points, and you can directly withdraw cash when you meet certain requirements. MOOLAH is amazing because they are partnered with over 350,000 retailers online like Macy's, Shein, Crocs, you name it. So all of those sites that you're normally already going to, there's a good chance they're already partnered with them. So you will be able to get those points. You will be able to accumulate MOOLAH points and get cash, because the points turn into cash. When you have enough points, you can cash out. They put it in your PayPal, and so you're not only saving money, but you're getting cash back as well. You can add MOOLAH to your browser extension through the app. It literally takes seconds and you shop like normal. Also, when you install and register with MOOLAH, you will get a $3 bonus registration when you install MOOLAH onto your browser. It's really exciting how they are also now providing a variety of ways to obtain MOOLAH points. So you're able to accumulate MOOLAH points faster and meet the withdrawal requirements. As more and more people are signing up and joining MOOLAH and loving it as much as me, they will support even more merchants and provide users with even better experiences and services. I love that MOOLAH is the automatic coupon hunter for you, and how you do get that $3 when you sign up, but you can accumulate points so fast, you're going to wind up getting a good amount to cash out with, and you get that cash back too. So that's super amazing. When your MOOLAH points reach 1,000, that equals about $1. And then once you reach $10, you can cash out. And I go ahead and do that right through PayPal. It's super easy to install MOOLAH via the Google Chrome extension store, so you will never miss out on saving money. MOOLAH was good enough to give me a code and a link, so I will have that down below, so you will get that $3 so you can get signed up and you can start saving right away. Download MOOLAH's Google extension to never miss saving money when you shop online. This extension automatically tests the best coupon codes for you, and you don't even realize it. They also have daily hot deals where they provide popular promotion information on various well-known merchants, and you can check them at any time. So thank you so much to MOOLAH for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. I definitely love this browser extension so much. I love saving. I love getting those coupon codes without having to do any work. What's better than that? So again, I'll have everything for MOOLAH linked below. And now let's just dive into unboxing this month's Ipsy makeup subscription box. So beauties, hopefully you can see this. I have it right here. I did get a new light, so that's why some of you beauties were like, girl, your eyes are looking so much bluer. It is, I got the Glam Core light. So it's the Glam Core light, but kind of, I don't know how it looks to you guys. It's kind of blinding. I actually can't even see that well. So because it's so, but you can turn it down, but of course I want it super bright. But anyway, maybe, okay. we'll see what happens. But anyway, let me know if you guys have tried the Glam Core light. It was on sale. If you sign up for their emails, they have sales, and they had I guess like a warehouse sale, and so it was on sale, so I picked it up. So I'm really happy, guys. Now here is the Ipsy box. Now the theme of this month is, I believe it is Step Into Your Power. How amazing is that? And it's about all out celebration of women's empowerment. So what is better than that, you guys? Seriously. Yeah, it says celebrate. Cheers to living your best life. Let's get into this, guys. I can't wait anymore. I need to find out what's in here. Okay, look at how beautiful this bag is. See, the light is very bright. Yeah, I might have to go back to my old light. This light is so bright. So it kind of blows everything out, right? Because this has the most beautiful, it looks like, I don't know how to say it. It's like diamond-esque shape to it. Oh, it is absolutely stunning. It's like a holographic silver white. Oh, beautiful, like snowflakes, or I don't know what. It's just gorgeous, and gold and blue trim. Stunning. So, oh my God, I just saw this. You know, I want to open this all the time first, and then I look and I see one of these huge products, because I do get the creator box, which does come with full-size products, and I can't resist them. So I just saw this right here from Wander Beauty. I love Wander Beauty so much. And this is called the Sun-Kissed Getaway Face and Eye Palette. So let's open it up, guys. You know, I always come with my makeup on. I need to come one day with no makeup on. I don't know why. Every Ipsy comes with makeup, so it's like there's always makeup that I want to try. But sometimes I have my makeup on and I can't try it with you guys. But oh, that is beautiful. And these colors are my favorite, you know, for every day. They're just these gorgeous neutral shades. This is, okay, let me try the blush while we're here, because you know what? I can definitely try the blush, because this blush looks gorgeous. So I'm going to take my brush from last month's. This is the SL Miss Glam brush. Still my favorite. Oh, I know I will love this for life. So this is a beautiful peach tone blush though in here. And let's see how it looks. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, wow, it's very pigmented. So I wasn't expecting, you always think it's the pink ones that are so pigmented, but that is so pigmented. It's not pink, it's peach. It looked kind of pale, pastel, so I didn't expect that. Wow. Oh, but it's gorgeous. Now, I did have a pink blush underneath, but pink blush with peach on top is so stunning. But wow, this is very pigmented, even though it looks, you know, it doesn't look that pigmented to put it that way. It doesn't look like it's going to be, but actually, oh, and then this is the highlighter. Okay, that is gorgeous. I can put more on. I can do it, guys. You see, I'm empowering myself via makeup. Okay, this is stunning. These are, because now I'll just put a little bit on. Let's see. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is something, whether, you know, you could wear this every day. These are very wearable everyday shades. So that's amazing. And the packaging also feels so nice. Wow, and it's, you know, the highlighter totally melts into your skin. So it's not chunky whatsoever. Oh, I hope you guys can see. It's beautiful. And then, no, I won't we gotta keep going. Because I want to put more. I want to put more on. And it does come with a mirror. That's so nice. So many products, don't come with a mirror. And it's like, but we need it. You know, when you're doing your makeup, you need a mirror. Like, why do you have to reach for multiple products to get a mirror? You could just, you know, it's so nice to have the mirror and the product and the eyeshadow and everything all in one. All right. We'll leave. You're like, girl, stop. Look at it though. It's beautiful. It gives the wet look. Melts into your skin, not chunky. I do have texture, and it didn't accentuate the texture because I was afraid it would, but it didn't. So, because some of them make you look, you know, more textured than you thought you were. Like, you know, 100% more texture. Okay, that is definitely got to keep, you know, because some things I try to save for a giveaway, but I've already fallen in love with that. So that has to come back with mama. Okay, guys, what is this? Oh, Ren Skincare. Love this. What is this? I had a mask from them. I loved it. This is the Barrier Support Elixir. Oh, I can't wait to try this. This is an amazing skincare. I didn't even realize it is clean beauty. So that's amazing. What is this? Here it is. It is a serum-like texture. I had something, I think it was a glycolic peel or something. Wow, it was so amazing. I should really get that again. This feels, you know, thick in texture. I have to research this more. Supports barrier elixir, barrier support elixir. So no scent, but I'm definitely going to use that or give it a try because I love their other product that I tried from them and I thought it was amazing. So definitely going to give that a try. And then here, oh, I got an Ofra lipstick, you guys. Do you guys know Amanda Bowling here on YouTube? She's on TikTok. She is an ambassador for Ofra and she's always doing swatches, eye swatches, lip swatches, and she always makes me want to purchase Ofra from watching her videos. So I'll have her link down below, but this is a beautiful lipstick. It looks kind of Merlot-esque, beautiful. Can't wait to try this. Oh, this is called, the shade is called Pasadena. That's so funny. That's where my husband has this event that he has every year in Pasadena. So, and we go there, we live there for like a month or so out of the year, and we have so many great memories there. So that's really nice. So, oh, look at this. This is Lavido Inspired by Nature Body Lotion. So let me give this a shot. You know, what does it smell like? What is it gonna smell like? I love scents, so I would love it if it smelled, you know, nice. But let's see. Oh, the tube is very nice. I don't know why. It has like a big dispenser for the product to come out. I like that. So let's see here. Oh, it doesn't have a scent. I'm disappointed, right? It doesn't have a scent, but maybe it's gonna feel like a dream. Let's see when it dries down. But no, unfortunately no. When I saw this kind of coral, now you can't see, guys, because the light is too bright. But it has a beautiful coral and blue, and I was like, maybe it's gonna smell tropical, but or something like mango or something like that. You know, no, it doesn't. Okay, we'll see what happens. it's drying down. And then here, oh, I need this. Oh, this came at the perfect time. This is the First Aid Beauty Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30. So I ran out of my sunscreen. I was using the Murad, which I have here somewhere. I've been putting together a lot of empties, guys, so I'll be back soon with an empties video. But I ran out of my Murad, and so this is the perfect time for me to test this one out. And I know I love everything I've ever tried from First Aid Beauty. So I'm so excited to try that out. And I'm really going to, you know, I've always liked to wear 50 or 40, but then I started wearing 30 because that's all I had, and it was fine, you know, but it's not the summer, but that's okay. You know, maybe in the summer I'll just make sure I stick with 50 or 40 or something like that. But recently I've been wearing 30. I've been wearing, what is it, my Goop one. This one here, Goop. Oh, this is 40. Okay, guys, I got this free. I know maybe you don't want to hear about, but I got this on the Flip app. The Flip app is amazing. I got like $600 worth of free makeup. I got to pick whatever I want because they have a store. It's like attached to Sephora. I don't know. They have everything almost the same as Sephora. They have Pat McGrath, but I got this part of my Flip app. I should have did a haul, but it was amazing. Maybe I did and I didn't. Okay. And I forgot to edit it, but it was amazing. I got so much from the Flip app. I'll have them linked down below. But you just leave reviews. You don't even have to show your face. A lot of girls or beauty lovers, they just show the product and speak, and you get points and you get free makeup. It's amazing. So, okay, here is what is in my beauty bag, my Ipsy Glam bag. Oh, I got a Kinship Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. So I can't wait to use this because I did run out of my regular eye cream that I've been using for years, which is Neostrata, I believe, and it's like $100. But then I used this. I did a shorts. I'm not so sure if you guys saw it, but I tried this sample that I got, and this is amazing. This is the Sephora Brightening Eye Cream. Has hyaluronic acid in it. Oh, this is so good, and it's $18 as compared to the other one that I was using, $100. I'm purchasing this. I have it in my cart right now. It's amazing. If you guys are like me, like I don't have any filler, you know, so I get insecure because you see a lot of people online, everybody looks so perfect with those circles. But this stuff is amazing. It takes away the circles. It takes away, it kind of, it plumps up your under eye area. It's amazing. So anyway, I'm glad to try this out too, because maybe this is going to be another good one, because I had just been spending $100 on that other brand for the longest. I thought there was nothing better, but apparently there isn't. It's only $18, so sign me up. But anyway, guys, what is this? This is the, I can't even see this, Pear Nova Lip Style. What is it, guys? Oh, I can't even open it. I gotta use a tweezer to open it. Some of these products you just cannot get into the way they wrap them up. But so what did you guys get the same as me so far in your Ipsy box? But you or your Ipsy, well, we haven't really gotten into the Ipsy glam bag, right? But what is this? What is this? It says it's a lip. Ooh, okay. It looks like a lip liner, and I'm a lip liner junkie. So what is this? It's a lip. Is it something that you can fill in and lip line and fill in? Like, because it looks kind of like a crayon. Oh, this is really nice. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I'm using up so much makeup. I actually used up all of a lip liner that I had. I had the Gwen Stefani lip liner. Used the whole thing up. I'm so proud. But maybe she didn't. I was like, did she put a lot of product in here? I don't remember using it that much. But anyway, maybe I did, because I really liked it. Once I got into it, I really liked it. At first, it was weird. But then once I kind of got used to it, I loved it. So, this is nice. It seems like it's, I don't know. It just seems substantial. It seems like, because I have gloss on and yet it is filling in, it's going over the gloss, so it must be pigmented. This is, I could just tell it's really nice. That's a good one. I just have to clean this up now though. What do you guys think? I've been loving, okay, I know this wasn't in my Ipsy box, but I've been loving this lip gloss. This is the Juvia's Place. This lip gloss is amazing. This is seriously the best lip gloss I think I've ever tried. If you like that MAC lip gloss, this is the same thing, but it's less expensive, cruelty-free. I love that. Okay. I wear that every day now. Okay, let's see what else we got in our glam bag here. So I got a lash treat from Tarte. What is this? Is this a mascara? Can't wait to try this. And then I got a new Honey Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. And then I got here the Pore Effect Detoxifying Mud Mask. It is called Glow on Fifth Beauty Pore Effect Detoxifying Mud Mask. So I will give this a try tonight. Hopefully I would love to use this. And so that's everything I got in my Ipsy makeup subscription box this month. Did you beauties get the same things? What did you guys get? What did you guys get? Let me know down below. So thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today. Don't forget to check out the MOOLAH browser extension. It go ahead and scours the internet and gets you those coupon codes so you save, plus you also get cash back. You get points and you do wind up accumulating money and you get cash back via PayPal, or there's a few different ways that you can get your points into cash. So again, I'll have everything linked down below. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy box this month. Did you get any of these? Did you try them out? Let me know what your experiences have been. And that's pretty much it. So thank you beauties again so much for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.